put together what we hope to be a fun Halloween exercise program for you. So, day one, we're going to start by focusing on the plank position. So you're going to keep your arms straight, keep your stomach tucked in. This is similar to what people might call a chaturanga. We're just going to bring your knees up to and touch your elbows. And we're going to do about 10 of those. All right. The next one, we're going to do a walking out to the plank position. So you're going to start with your arms overhead, bend forward, walk out to a plank position, keep your back straight. You're going to extend each leg to work on those glutes. Then you're going to walk back up